Hi, I'm Zach from NterOne, and today I'd like to introduce you to ClearConnect VR, a state-of-the-art virtual reality training simulator for anyone doing on-site work. With ClearConnect VR, get hands-on without being in the data center. Our one-to-one, high-fidelity models look and act like the real thing. With ClearConnect VR, you can experience racking equipment just like the real world, from blade servers to fan modules, and cabling too. Training modules allow you to develop custom deployment plans for your site so that your technicians can get it right every time. Technicians can train together in a real-time multiplayer experience with voice communications. Now they can collaborate and perfect their deployment plan before setting foot on site. ClearConnect VR runs on industry-standard consumer VR headsets. ClearConnect VR, because the best way to learn is to do. Welcome to the future of training.